Fuzzy logic. Today we shall present before you our project on fuzzy logic.
What is fuzzy logic? Normally, for logic system, the binary system of Boolean algebra is used. Say for example, if I buy a mobile in terms of binary system, I would either like it or dislike it. However, this might not be the case always. I might like a few features and dislike other few. Here comes the signification of fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is a method of reasoning and problem solving that is in sync with the human reasoning. The credit for invention of fuzzy logic goes to Lotfi-Zadeh.
Lotfi-Zadeh proposed that, unlike the usual binary-oriented logic in computers, the human way of decision-making contains a wide range of in-between categories between yes and no. Fuzzy logic is very important in an increasingly consumerist market where products are rated from 1 to 5 or even 10 points, wherein every point has a different value.
The math involved. First, fuzzification module. It consists of fuzzy sets. The discrete numbers which are input into the system are transformed into these sets. We broadly mention 5 such sets: a large positive, medium positive, small, medium negative, and large negative. Second, knowledge base. It includes the conditions or comparisons. Third, inference engines. Inference on the inputs and if-then rules. Defuzzification module. The defuzzification module defuzzifies the inputs and returns them to discrete values. Membership function. The membership function allows one to represent the fuzzy set graphically. The membership function has been shown as here. The 3 parts of the member function: the core, the support, and the boundary.
The problem for our project is we bought a taxi. Now, apart from paying the bill to the driver, we might like to reward him with some tips based on the service he provides. Here, there are 2 cases. Case 1. Over here, we will apply non-fuzzy logic. If we find that the service was good, we will pay him $10 more of the total bill. 0 if very bad, 1 if very good. There are 2 customers, A and B. A gives $10 as a tip, while B gives nothing. Find out how each customer found the service of the taxi.
Case 2. The tip given for the service will be $0 if it is very bad, $5 if it is satisfactory, and $10 if it is very good. In between these categories lies intermediate categories as follows. Both between very bad and satisfactory is bad. Between satisfactory and very good is good. Let 3 customers be P, Q, and R. Each of these customers give different tips to the taxi driver. P gives $4.5 tip, while Q gives $9 and R gives $2.5 tip.
Let us look for the solution. For case 1. For this problem, we formulate a function. As over here, only 2 discrete values are used. It is clear that 1. Customer A found the service as good, and 2. Customer B found the service bad. For case 2. For this problem, we formulate a function. We will check quality of service based on the functions given below. The function given as follows. We find out that customer P found the service pretty much average with a small complaint. Customer Q found the service quite good. However, there could be a significant aspect wherein he could have found it average. Customer R found the service equally bad as well as average.
Fuzzy logic is gaining popularity over the years The applications of fuzzy logic across various fields is noteworthy. First, in subway control system, nowadays we observe that our roads are not able to handle a large number of vehicles. Thus, we can make a subway control system which would be based upon the control decision made by the driver based upon the condition of the track.
Smart washing machines. Clothes might become dirty while one eats, plays, works, etc. We want to design a washing machine that would use only a certain amount of water and detergents that would be enough to wash away the dirt. In washing machine, various sensors provide data to special chips known as fuzzy logic chips. These chips determine the degree of dirt based on which one can select the amount of water and detergents.
There are many advantages as well as disadvantages of fuzzy logic. Advantage: easy to make and understand, doesn't need a large memory. The rules for fuzzy logic can be easily changed according to one's idea. Disadvantage: suitable for those problems which do not need a high accuracy, and also runtime can be slow.